Today we will be cleaning the Moccamaster Select. First, ensure you have removed any coffee or filter paper from the drip cup. Then fill the machine up with water. Activate the pump cycle. You should aim to clean your coffee machine every 3 months. Do this until all the water has flushed through the machine into the coffee jar. When the cycle has stopped, empty the dirty water out of the coffee jar. Fill up a beaker with 32 ounces of water. Then add the Moccamaster cleaning solution to the water and mix. Each Moccamaster should come with a sachet of cleaning solution. Then pour the cleaning solution into the Moccamaster and run the pump cycle. Make sure to run the pump cycle until all of the cleaning solution has emptied into the coffee jar. Then empty the cleaning solution out of the coffee jar. Fill up a beaker with 32 ounces of normal tap water. And repeat the pump cycle. Repeat this 3 times for maximum cleaning effect. After this is completed, your Moccamaster will be clean and ready to use again.